Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, Assalamu alaikum, student. Today is Wednesday, 13th January 2021. Today the topic is factorization. Today we are going to solve exercise 5.4. The statement of question of 5.4 is factorize each of the following cubic polynomials by factor theorem. So in this exercise we have the cubic polynomials. A cubic polynomial is that polynomial in which the highest degree of the variable is 3. So all the polynomials which have the highest degree 3 are called the cubic polynomials. And here we use the factor theorem to find the cubic polynomial. So we are going to solve the question number 2 of exercise 5.4. The statement of question number 3 is x cube minus x square minus 22x plus 40. So here is the cubic polynomial in which the highest degree is 3. So it is a cubic polynomial. By using the factor theorem, we will find the factors of this polynomial. So here is the constant term which is 40 and the coefficient of x cube is 1. So we represent constant term as p and the coefficient of x cube is as a q. P is represented by constant term represented by p and the coefficient of x cube is represented by q. So in solution we will write the polynomial as p into x, it is equal to x cube minus x square minus 22x plus 40. So the constant term which is 40 is presented by small p. So the possible factors of 40 are the possible factors of 40 are plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 5, plus minus 8, plus minus 10 and plus minus 20. So these are the possible factors of 40 and the coefficient x cube is 1, so it's represented by q. So the possible factors of 1 are plus minus 1. So possible factors of px, so possible factors of given polynomial p into x will be formed by p over q. So in numerator we will write the factors of p which are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10 and 20. 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10 and 20. And in denominator we will have 1, so 1 is not written in the denominator. So the possible factors of px are plus minus 1 plus minus 2. So by using these factors we will find the factors of the cubic polynomial. So if we replace x by positive 1, then we will have and check by replacing x as 1. So 1 cube minus 1 square minus 22 into 1 plus 40. If we simplify, if we take the cube of 1 which is equal to 1, if we take the square of 1 which is equal to 1, minus 22 ones are 22 and plus 40. And if we simplify all these integers, so plus 1 and minus 1 will cancel out. So 40 minus 22 becomes 10 minus 2 becomes 8 and 3 minus 2. So remainder is not equal to 0. So it means the x value is as a 1 is not make a factor of the polynomial. So we will now one by one we will take all the factors. If by taking the factor, if the remainder is equal to 0, then we will make the factor of the cubic polynomial. If we take x as a 2, then put in the polynomial. So p into 2 is equal to, by replacing x by 2 in the polynomial, we will have 2 raised power 3 minus into 2 raised power 2 minus 22 into 2 plus 40. So we have replaced x by 2, and by simplifying, 2 cube becomes 8, by taking the square of 2 becomes 4, and by multiplying 22 by 2 we have 44 and plus 40 as it is. So by simplifying, minus 4 and minus 44 becomes minus 48, and plus 8 and plus 48 becomes plus 48. So 48 plus 48 and minus 48 will cancel out each other. So we will have remainder as a 0. So it means if we take x as a 2, so we can make the factor of the first factor of the cubic polynomial. So the first factor becomes x minus 2. So it is a factor of p into x. So it is the first factor of a cubic polynomial.